I am so sorry, neighbors, but we're gonna go out and get some hard pulls. The DA is negative. We're gonna see what this car can do. Oh man, I feel so bad right now. Alright, just got gas. Only put 750 in here. Yep. I want it just above half a tank. Alright. So we can do here, y'all. So we can cut our fastest draggy 60 to 130 because the DA is crispy. Right now, it's like free nitrous in the air.
A few moments later.
Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. You guys can tell it is the following morning. I went out to try to get some hard pulls last night, but there was just too many cars out. Literally, like, I don't understand why there were so many cars out on first a technically Tuesday morning, and it was cold as hell out here in Texas. There was just a lot of cars out. So realistically, the spot that I wanted to go and hit the draggy, which is obviously, you know, a 60 to 130 run, it was too occupied. It was not gonna happen. Now, I did get a run in though, so don't think I didn't. I'm gonna go ahead and put that screenshot on the screen right now. The car actually did pretty damn good. This is actually the fastest recorded time that I have proof of in the 99 Mustang, which honestly I think is pretty cool. Now, it was done, you know, on a stretch of road which I didn't really even think was flat, and to be honest with you, realistically shouldn't be doing any type of runs on the road, but it worked out and the car, it put in some work. Now, what's really funny about that is this car actually was full weight. I didn't take anything out of it. I just left it alone. I wanted to see what this car would do full weight and kind of give me like a baseline on, you know, what I can expect when I do go ahead and do some more weight reduction. Now, this was still done with the same clutch that is rattling like crazy in the car, and this is exactly what I'm talking about when I say the car still does what it's supposed to do with this, you know, clutch that sounds like it's about to fall apart. I can't believe it ran that time, even though it's not really necessarily fast, but for what this car is, that's pretty damn quick, I'm not gonna lie. We'll get a cold start. Woo. Clutch is already starting to rattle. Every time I go beat down this shit, it gets worse. All right, so we're in the car right now. Man, I can't believe this thing ran as fast as past yesterday. Well, I can actually. The weather was amazing. The DA was nice and cool. It was bound to happen. Come on now, man. That's what I'm talking about. This is like literally what it was like at like 1:30 in the morning, just cars everywhere. Daytona right here. Those look good, I ain't gonna lie. Those Daytonas really do go hard. They really do go hard. But let me know down in the comment section right now. Oh, here goes the clutch. Let me know in the comment section right now. Do y'all think this car would have went faster with a different clutch? Dude, this is so bad. Oh my goodness, dude. If this car didn't do what it was supposed to do, I'd be pissed. Go this way. I'm surprised it actually went into gear right there, damn. Really good, bro. Like, this thing feels really, really good. It feels really, really, really good. Really, really, really good. I gotta make a quick stop real quick. Goodness, dude, hella cars. Yeah, bro. Here we go. See how bad it's been? Oh yeah, dude, forget it. This thing, dude, forget it. Holy shit. Oh my god, forget it. Oh my god, forget it. Forget it. First gear is fucking useless, dude. It didn't even go anywhere. Imagine if I was trying to do like first gear pulls in this thing, it just wouldn't happen. That's that 11-to-1 compression right there, kicking in. Like, you put your foot down for a second and it goes. I love it though. That's why this car behaves the way it does, to be honest. I know a lot of people, like, you know, question, oh, what's the best way to do like a setup with like a 2-valve car? Honestly, like, unless you're going for crazy horsepower, I'm gonna say like above 800 wheel. In all reality, man, honestly, just for the simplicity, I'm saying a Procharger or a Vortec with like a high compression setup, you'll be happy, because this bitch, like, it gets moving, man. It for real does. Stock compression compared to the other car, obviously, you know, I was stock motor, but it is the stock compression. It's a dud compared to this, for real. Come on, baby. All right. Got what I needed to get. It's crazy because I like to go get groceries like at the beginning of the week, but this time they didn't have like what I needed to get. So I usually get the same stuff every week. I don't know why. But that's besides the point. Woo! Might do another hit on the way back, we'll see. But I'm like almost at a quarter tank, so I might have to go get gas too. I don't think I'm gonna be taking the car out the next 2 days. I'm gonna be busy, and I honestly might break the streak for Vlogmas, but it is what it is. Work comes first, and I gotta be on the setup all day the next couple of days, so it is what it is. That thing is pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. You always see some nice cars out here in Texas, man. Just for real. Because the weather's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. And I mean a lot better. What's up? You're gonna go fire. Thing feels nice, man. This thing feels hella nice. This thing feels really good with the accelerations in this cooler weather. Really good. Go ahead and put some like, I got the lock out. Let me go ahead and put like $10 and put the gas in here. Cause it's gonna sit with like a quarter tank for a couple days. Then I'm not gonna have that happen. So let me go ahead. Oh my God. Damn, we're packed up. Let me go ahead and get some gas real quick. Most likely gonna break my street. I'm some good old E85. Alright, just got some gas. Come on, baby. Let's go. Whew. Thing is, like, how this car performs and like the current draggy, obviously that's like the fastest recorded draggy that I have. It kind of lets you like put in perspective that you really don't need like a 4-5 second car to have fun. Now obviously, you know, I want to get the GT350 in the 5-second range with the centrifugal supercharger without having to go ahead and, you know, replace the wheels and the tires, which I think is definitely possible. I think I can get like a high to like a mid 5-second range with that car. Oh my God. Without having to go crazy. But with this car, honestly, just for what it is, I'm super satisfied with this performance. It pulls great, man. It pulls great. Corvette world. All right, if you guys enjoyed the hard pulls, feel free to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, man. Hope you guys are enjoying the content on the channel. Been trying to be super consistent the last month of 2023. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. And also, if I do have time tonight, I will go out and try to get another faster draggy pull, but no promises. I gotta be up in the morning, and in all reality, I probably don't want to be driving around tonight. So we'll see if it's good outside tonight. If I can make it out, I'll make it happen. But if not, all good. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.